In this video, we're going to repair the dash cover and vent cover on a 2013 Suburban. So we have a really nice 2500 2013 Chevy Suburban. It's in great shape, as you can see, but with one problem. The dash is really busted up. Got a big hole right here in front of the driver. On the other side, we have cracks around the airbag area, which is very common with this model. So we are going to install a Coverlay dash cover and vent cover, and you'll see how easy it is to restore your interior in minutes. So our first step is we clean the dash with an ammonia-based cleaner like Windex. We're going to go and clean the dash area and then the vent area as well. Now we clean the back of the Coverlay dash cover, and also we'll clean the back of the vent cover before we go to test fit them. Now we're going to test fit the vent cover and the dash cover on the vehicle. You might see a little silicone on the original dash. We'll discuss that in a few minutes. So during the test fit stage is when we will outline the area for the soft touch airbag cover if you choose to use that. This piece is totally optional, but we do send a vinyl soft touch airbag cover for install if you want to cover that portion of your dash. So to mark the area for the airbag cover, you'll use a Sharpie, and then you'll outline where the cutout is on our dash cover, and then you need to get a ruler and extend those lines out so you can spot them when you put the airbag cover down. Again, this is optional to use or not use. So I mentioned earlier is the silicone beads that you saw on the dash cover. We actually put some silicone on the cracks of the existing dash and vent area, and then we also on this one added a little bit of foam underneath where it had a bad rattle. So you might need to do some pre-work, if you will, before you install our dash cover and vent cover if your dash is really bad. So if you are using the airbag cover, remove the one side of the double stick tape that's on the back of that cover and place it on the area where you made the outline. Okay, now we're going to do the silicone adhesive. We send this with our product, so no need to go buy anything else. And we're going to go around the edge, about a ½ inch in from the perimeter and around any opening. And you'll see how I put it on in the video here. And you don't want this silicone around the airbag area to get too close to the edge. You want to leave room for that airbag to lay without any silicone on it. For clarification, leave about an inch clearance around the airbag opening. Now I'm installing the silicone on the back of the vent cover. Silicone is on our vent cover and our dash cover. Now we'll install the vent cover first. The customer wanted to use the airbag cover on this install, so we're installing the airbag cover before we do the vent cover and dash cover. Some like to install the vent cover first, and some like to install the dash cover first. So we recommend during the test fit phase, which is a dry fit phase, see which works best for your vehicle. Vent cover installed first or dash cover installed first. Now you need to push down on the vent cover and the dash cover and really press them into place well. Press the dash cover down firmly into all the contours so it really sits well on the original. After it's set into place, you can grab some weighted objects. Here we have sandbags. You want to put them all over the dash cover and the vent cover to add weight to help everything to stay in place during the cure process. We also put cardboard wedges up against the windshield and the vent cover to help that area to seat. And you want to leave all this on overnight. Besides the weighted objects and the cardboard up against the windshield, we also put painter's tape or masking tape, something that won't take the finish off your new dash cover, and we really tape everything down really well. Also on that edge there by the door, some people like to put foam rubber or something to help kind of squeeze that in when they shut the door for that area. Okay, and this is how it should look after your install, and you'll leave it overnight so you have a good cure time. Okay, here's a quick reminder of what the original looked like before we installed our Coverlay products on there. And here are the after photos. Give us a call or go to our website so we may assist you.